So in this video, I'll cover about the lecturates in SSB. Now, when you go for SSB, this is one of the GTO's tasks which is conducted on second or third day. So we see the details, and generally 4 topics are given to the candidates, out of which one topic is required to be selected. Now, this is an outdoor activity, and basically it involves lecture to be given by the candidate on a topic which is not known to him. I mean, it is not previously known to him, it is instantly given, and he needs to prepare for some time, and then he is required to give this lecture to the group of candidates. Now, for the purpose of lecturate, what happens is that SSB group, which is generally 40 to 50 candidates, is divided into small lots of 10 to 12 candidates each, and then each group is given to one GTO, and then the GTO activities are conducted. So lecturate is also conducted like that only. So you'll find about 6 to 8 candidates. So candidates are required to give a lecture for 3 minutes duration. Now this 3 minutes is a very long duration. It is not possible to speak unless you make proper points. So 3 minutes you get for preparation and 3 minutes to speak. And while one candidate is speaking, is giving his lecture, so other one is given card and is sent little distance away so that he can prepare himself. Now next candidate will speak the moment previous one has finished. So this is how the whole group completes the lecturates. And please note that there are no discussions, no debates. So everybody actually is required to focus on his lecture, and there are no comments, etc. So purpose of lecturate. What is the purpose of lecturate? Lecturates are basically conducted to know candidates' public speaking capabilities and speak constructively on a subject which is not known to him. So this is an important leadership quality. Now this is how the lecturate card appears. You'll find 4 topics mentioned. So out of that you can pick one of them and speak. Now this is how it is done. In a small shed, candidates are made to sit, and one person is speaking. GTO is sitting on one side, so he is making note of performance. And the candidate who is preparing is sent little distance away, so he is preparing his lecture. The moment this fellow finishes, he will go and give his lecture. So this is how it happens. Now few tips for good lecturate. Firstly, you should be having knowledge about frequently asked topics, and generally go through newspaper, TV, etc. And again, I am telling you that you don't need a very deep knowledge. I mean, you don't have to prepare very big books or do PhD kind of studies or thesis studies. And so, but generally be aware what is happening and what are the current topics. Then be confident while you are speaking, because in during army services, you'll be often required to address your troops and officers on situations which are not known to you. So you should be having this inbuilt capability in you of public speaking. So confidence is required. Now body language when you are speaking, don't move much, don't shake your legs or make hand gestures. Now while speaking, is look at the candidates, don't look at the GTO, or don't look here and there. Maintain eye contact, and so this is how you should be speaking. Now I'll just give some emphasis on this 3 minutes to speak. Now it's a very long time, and you try this out, you'll not be able to speak. It basically requires a script of about 1 page, one A4 size page, and so you have to be a very good actually speaker without knowing much about the subject. So what is the trick? How to collect thoughts in such a small time? because in 3 minutes you can't write this script and speak. So all you can do is you can make mental notes. So how to go about it? Any topic which is given, just apply this standard template. Like what about the topic, what is the background, then what are its effects, then suggestions and conclusion. You can apply this template to any topic, uh, or you can do some modifications. So with that, when you frame these points in your mind, you will be able to speak properly. So you need to have 3-4 points, and it is better that you make some standard points, so that at the last minute you are not confused for the points, what points I should make or think, because time given is very short. It is just 3 minutes. Now, how do you speak? Now you have to speak in a modulated voice. Don't speak plainly. I'll just give you one example. Like, I am Deepak, I am a graduate, and I am from Gwalior. So this is a simple way. But when I say I am Deepak and I am from Gwalior and I am also a graduate, so this is little modulation. So hope it is clear. Now this point I already covered. Don't look at GTO. Keep looking at fellow candidates. Now before lecturate starts, candidates are required to give their introduction. So introduction is covered under following headings: name, where are you from, hobbies, parents' profession, and what are you currently doing. Now hobbies, you must state those which are already written in your PIQ form and SDT form. And you can practice this speaking, this little introduction in your own time. Now here there's a lecturate sample. The subject is global warming. So this candidate, if you has prepared this lecture in 3 parts. That is, what is it about, how it is affecting, and how it can be curbed. So he is saying, GTO sir and dear colleagues, good morning. This is how he starts. And 3 parts I told you what is global warming is about, how global warming is affecting us, and how we can curb global warming. So he has covered generally all points. See the second part, how it is affecting. And third part, how to curb global warming. So have a specific template made, and like, and for any topic, what the topic is about, how it is affecting you or us, and how it can be improved, and conclusion. So these 4 points can be applicable to any lecturate heading. And suppose that you don't know much about the subject, so you start your lecture by saying that I don't know much about this, but my general awareness. So whatever you know about it, I mean, you need not be very accurate, because the point here is not the knowledge. Point here is your speaking abilities. So I mean, nobody is trying to gauge your knowledge about nuclear subject or global warming, but what they are basically looking for is how you speak, how you address public on topics which are not known to you before. So keep these points in mind, because candidates, they do a lot of research on what topics are being asked, or so and so SSB is covering which all topics, so that I can be prepared. No such preparations are required. You should be a good speaker, that's all. So here we come to the end, conclusion. So hope this video will help you all. So I thank you all and wish you good luck. Thanks.